Question. Name installation recommendations when a cable is buried directly in the ground. Answer. When a cable is to be installed outdoors, bury it directly in the ground wherever possible. Lay the cable in a trench on a bed of selected sand or sifted soil of known thermal characteristics, and cover it with the same material. Ensure that this backfill material immediately surrounding the cable is well compacted to reduce its thermal resistance. If necessary, protect the material with concrete or suitable cover tiles. As an additional or alternative precaution, a brightly colored plastic warning tape may be laid above the cable, at a depth of at least 200 millimeters below the ground surface, at the ends of a direct buried section and on either side of a joint position. The cable should be snagged to minimize the effects of thermomechanical forces and ground subsidence.